Okay, this is a very short video. I'm installing these roof racks onto my Hyundai Kona. It's a 2017 or 2018 model. The roof racks are replacing a set that I had bought brand new but were a really poor fit. I wasn't happy at all. Got in touch with the manufacturer. They maintained that it was fitting the way that it was supposed to, and I kept saying, but look, I can pull it off. So anyway, I took it back to the place where I bought them, which was really good, and they just swapped them over for the brand that they recommend, and they're the Whisper style. And the construction so far looks so much better. It's amazing. And yet the same price. Now the step that I'm a little worried about, they've gone together really easily. The step that I'm worried about is this bit where it says pull out the factory plugs. So pulling out the factory plugs sounds like an easy thing to do. So I came up here and started trying to pull them out, and they were really tough. They didn't want to come out. They kind of sprung a bit. Did a bit of research online. You can see that I sort of messed them up a little bit, and I didn't really want to be doing that. When I searched online, I couldn't find anyone else that had a video of how to pull those plugs out. So I thought I'd better give it a go. If I wreck them, at least capture it on video so other people know what not to do. Okay, so when it came out, here's what it looks like. Heaps deeper than I expected it to be. And you can see it's actually got a depress thing. So clearly the idea is you need to push in a screwdriver far enough to depress those, and then it should just come straight up, not any levering required. So I will see if I can do a better job on the next one and not mangle the rail, which I really didn't need to be doing. Okay, last update. So I had been using quite thick screwdrivers because I figured I was levering against plastic, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't damaging the plastic more than I needed to. What I should have been using was really thin screwdrivers like this, because all you're trying to do is push straight down and then straight down and then just lever in slightly to depress the plug, and then it just pops out.